Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today I have a full face of makeup on right now. So I decided I am going to do a get unready with me video, showing you guys all the different brands I use to clean my face. Okay, so just a little precautionary measure here. I am in no way a dermatologist, so the way that I clean my skin, it's not necessarily the way you're supposed to, or like, I mean, I'm just showing you guys how I take my makeup off and how I get unready at the end of the day. I apologize if you hear a lot of background noise because there is a lot going on in my apartment complex right now. The neighboring apartment building or apartments, it's getting some work done on it, so there's a lot of people here and like a lot of voices, and the walls are really thin, so I apologize. That all being said, I think it's time to jump into our video. First thing I do is I put on this little headband that I have. I also wear this to do my makeup. It's really cute. It's little cat ears with lace. Next, I take off my false lashes. Oh god. I use this Equate oil-free eye makeup remover. You can get it from Walmart, and I just use a good old cotton ball. This is a good way to clean your eye makeup off, versus just using a makeup wipe, because a makeup wipe is usually really bad because it tugs a lot, and when you tug at your skin on your eyes, it creates a lot of wrinkles. So if you're someone that doesn't want wrinkles, I would recommend doing this. And even if you have like a lot of really heavy eye makeup on, you can douse your cotton ball and then just leave it sitting on your eye for a minute to let it penetrate the eye makeup. I did post this makeup look onto my Instagram, so if you're interested in it, leave a comment down below, and if you want me to do a tutorial on it, I totally will. But it is safe for the eyes. There's no scent to it. It doesn't burn your eyes at all. Unlike makeup wipes, I find that sometimes if I get them too close to my eyeballs, it like starts to burn and it makes my eyes water. This doesn't at all. The eyes are off. My next step is these babies. I use the Equate Beauty Makeup Removers wipes. So now I just scrub my face clean. And then since when I do my makeup, I drag my foundation down my neck, so I like to make sure that that's all scrubbed clean too. Another step I like to do in my makeup removing process, and I even do this before I put my makeup on too, is I like to do a little lip scrub. And this is the e.l.f. lip scrub. It comes in like a little lipstick container, and it literally tastes like brown sugar. I don't know if you're supposed to eat it, but you know, I mean, it's on your lips, so. So I just put it on, and then I'll go in and I'll scrub a little bit more. And then once it's all scrubbed in, I take like a damp cloth and I just go and wipe off any excess product or any dead skin that came off. Next is my face wash. Recently I have been using the L'Oreal Pure Clay Cleanser. This is the Purify Mattify Clay to Mousse Cleanser. I was kind of back and forth with like a lot of different face washes, but like none of them ever seemed to be working. So I heard really awesome reviews on this from a close friend of mine, and I decided to get it. Put like a little pea-sized amount in your hand. There you go. I got this from Walmart. I'm pretty sure it's at like every drugstore. So I usually let that set after I wash it for like a good 30 seconds to a minute to let it you know, soak up that dirtiness that it's getting. I'm just gonna wipe this off. For this next step, your face has to be completely dry. It cannot be damp at all. So I'm just gonna take a towel and I'm just gonna pat my face dry. Now, this isn't an everyday, every night step for me. I usually do it 2 to 3 times a week. It depends, because then I go in with something else the rest of the week. So this is my Boscia exfoliating gel. It's actually called exfoliating peel gel. It's 150 milliliters, and I'm pretty sure it was like around the lower $30 from Sephora. But oh my god, this works so good. A couple squirts of it, and like you can feel it in your hands when you start to do it. Apply it to your face and you just scrub. You gotta be really careful right here, because if you have any baby hairs down there, like I just have some like peach fuzz, I believe. It's not very visible, it's like completely blonde, but it'll get stuck in that, so just be really careful around that area. And then you just take a wet cloth and you just wipe it clean. Or you can like fully rinse it off. Alright, so when that's all off, just go dab your skin dry again. This is the Clean and Clear toner, deep cleaning toner, and I just grab a couple cotton balls and squirt some on there and just run it all over my face to get all this stuff that the cleanser, the makeup wipes, all that didn't get. It is very, very strong smelling, so if you get it like around your eyes or your nose, it's gonna like make your eyes burn. But my next step is a mask. I usually switch between either the exfoliating gel or a mask, but I'm still gonna do one just because I really need to do a mask. My skin's suffering right now. I have 3 different ones I use. I do it like about 3 days a week, and I will switch on and off each day with them. But all 3 are L'Oreal Pure Clay masks, and I have the yellow one, the blue one, and the charcoal one. And each of them do different things. So the yellow one is the Clarify and Smooth mask, so it has some like exfoliating beads in it, and you'll feel it like when you dig into it. You can kind of see them in there, they're the little darker spots. The blue one is the Clear and Comfort one. This one, if I'm breaking out super bad, I usually use this one. That's why there's so much gone of it. And it smells so refreshing, and it just feels so good on the face. And then the charcoal one is the Detox and Brighten face mask. And it just looks like that. It looks what a normal charcoal mask would look like. So I'm actually going to use this one today just because I haven't used it in a while. So. It is very thick, and a little goes a long way. So this whole little glob I put on this side, it'll probably spread out my entire this side of the face. And you can also use multiple masks at the same time and just put them on different parts of your face. So yeah, once you get it on there nice and good, you let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. Over that course of the time that it's going to set, the 10 to 15 minutes, it's going to dry and harden, and you will start to be able to see your pores. And it's kind of actually really gross because you're just like, oh my god, are my pores actually that big? I'm going to let this sit and harden for a good 10 to 15 minutes, and then I will come right back and I'll show you guys like my face, how it looks after, and then we will take it off. So it has been a good 10 to 15 minutes, and I can barely move my face. Like, this shit's so dry, it's like starting to crack right here. But as you can see, right in here you can see like my pores and everything. So you can tell that it's like getting in there and everything. I'm gonna go take this off and then I'll be back. And we'll continue on with this get unready with me. Oh, hi Luna, there's my kitty. Okay, since that's done, it is time for my last couple steps. I always end off my makeup removing, you know, with a really good moisturizer. The moisturizers I've been using for the last like couple of months is actually a drugstore brand. I think they're like $9 each, maybe less. I also use this eye cream from Clinique that I got from Sephora also. It looks like this on the inside. And it smells so good. So I just like to put some dots all over my face. Then you just rub that in. And I like to go on my neck too if I have some extra. This eye cream, it's Clinique and it's all about eyes, rich. Reduces circles, puffs. Yeah, that's what it looks like. A little does go a long way. I just like to pat it under my eyes. Just like that, we are done. So yeah, that is my makeup removing routine. That's how I clean my face at night. I really hope you guys like it, and I hope you guys found maybe some products that you'd want to try out. They all work great for me. I don't have any complaints. But again, I am not a dermatologist, so if you have a serious skin issue or you think something might be wrong with your skin, go see your dermatologist. Don't listen to YouTubers, please. The doctor's opinion is usually the one you need. Thanks for watching again, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because, you know, why wouldn't you want to? And also, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite skincare item is, because I am always on the lookout for products to try. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!